So it's currently 12 o'clock on a Friday night. I was literally crying like 30 minutes ago. And then I started watching TikTok compilations on YouTube because I don't have my phone on Fridays, so I can't even watch TikTok. And that's what happened. And then I didn't feel like getting ready again, so that is why I look like this, and my bun is literally on this side of my head. Wow. I feel like I'm like looking up like really intensely. Okay, so basically, I'm so greasy. You know what? We're just gonna be really ratchet in this video, and we're not gonna talk about it. I'm also like kind of getting sick. I could feel it, and I don't know why. And I'm also really sore. I worked out arms on Thursday, and I can't fully extend my arms. And then I squat today like really heavy, 150, which is my max right now. And I could already feel my legs just kind of like, but I love it. I'm not going to be able to move and pick up heavy things because I can barely hold my Chromebook without dropping it in class. That was really, I love bringing attention to myself. So I have a lot going on. Also, hence why I haven't uploaded. I've only uploaded once this month, and that is because I'm always 24/7 doing homework. And I'm busy with school. Like, I literally cannot find the time. And tomorrow I'm going somewhere, and then it's Sunday, and then it's Monday all over again. So I might as well, while I'm just sitting in my room and I was literally sleeping an hour ago, film. I like the way my voice sounds right now. It sounds kind of cool. Moving on. I just ranted for a little bit. We're gonna go through all of my clothes. Not because I specifically want to get rid of anything, but just because I want to go through all my clothes. And I've seen so many people go through all their clothes. I'm not going to try them on because I do not have the strength in my body to do that right now. Some of my clothes are dirty because I wore them like for school throughout the week. But not all of my clothes are dirty, so most of them are clean. For school, I kind of just take things off the hangers and put them on, and then don't put them back on the hangers. I just leave them there, and I have shelves in my closet, which you'll see right now. Okay, let's do this. I'm going to stop talking. I really hope you can't see my feet in this video because... Ew. Alright. No. Does that look better? Not really. Oh, I just got this hoodie. This is Sydney Lavin's merch. I love her. She is my Lord and Savior, Jesus Christ. Just like Girl in Red, aka, I think her name is Marie. Oh, she's my lock screen on my phone right now. My closet is very dirty. I was gonna get the vlog camera, but I don't know where my other memory card is. So, this is what my closet looks like right now. This is all clothes that I've taken off hangers. Come on. For school. So, like, they should be on here. But when I'm looking for stuff, I put it there. And then I just throw some stuff down there when I don't feel like... I sort things. And then that's all, like, my bras, underwear, socks, blah, blah, blah. All those hoodies. Do you see how many hoodies are on there? It's hella thick. And look, that flannel's falling. And, oh, that's my bra. But... we're just gonna start throwing crap on the floor because we're going through every single... That's so crooked. Oh my lord. I'm literally gonna lose it with these angles. So we're just gonna start throwing everything. All the clothes that I've thrown right here. Put it down there. Ooh, my leg gave out. Okay. I say I don't have clothes, but I'm looking at it and am I wrong? Box, you see that box? Is full of clothes that like I don't want to get rid of, but I don't wear. The reason being for not getting rid of those clothes is because it's all like clothes from like middle school, and it's also like old t-shirts that I've had since like 6th grade and I don't want to get rid of. I should probably go through it anyways, but we're not gonna talk about it right now. Focus, and it's also crooked. This thing will not be straight. Me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's really all I have? 11. Alright, I have 11 hoodies. I feel like there's more somewhere. I don't know, I have 11 hoodies and then like jackets and flannels. This is just, these are things from 7th and 8th grade. Okay, we're gonna start with this. I keep all like, I just got this shirt. I'm going to a Plain White Tees concert thingy wingy tomorrow. like literally tomorrow. That's where I have to be tomorrow. But it's like at night, so I'm not that worried about it. I'm not worried about like not getting enough sleep. Alright, so we're gonna have comfy clothes. You're not gonna be able to see the piles. We're gonna have comfy clothes right there. We're gonna have all my t-shirts right there that I want to keep, and like shirts or whatever. Oh, I just took this hoodie out. I'm so excited. Okay, I have, how many did I say? 11, 12, 13? I don't know. I don't like these, but I wear them to work out sometimes. I don't know. We'll put those there. These sweatpants. I love this shirt so much. We're gonna put like shirts and stuff over here. These are some shiny pennies. Oh, it's Friday the 13th. Oh, it's probably not. What time is it?
The time is 12:02 a.m.
Okay, it's not Friday the 13th anymore, but it was 2 minutes ago. My birthday lands on Friday the 13th because my birthday is August 13th, on my 18th birthday. That's cool. If you don't think that's cool, my favorite jeans ever, they're my ripped blue jeans from Fashion Nova that are kind of big on me, but it works out. It was in one of my videos and like it was literally huge on me, and I'm keeping it. This shirt, I cannot get rid of it. Like, I don't like it, but I don't want to get rid of it. I mainly don't like it because like the chest, like it just like, and then you can see my boobs when I wear this. Yeah, I'm just gonna get rid of it. It's time. It's time. This has a stain on it, and it is the most depressing thing ever. I can specifically tell you what the stain is, and I hate that I can, but it is cinnamon bun, like the, you know, the inside of it, like the cinnamon sticky stuff in the cinnamon bun. Yeah, it fell on this. This was like November of 2018. In 2018, I dropped this on there, which is only a year ago, but it feels like forever ago. And I just I can't get rid of it. And you aren't subscribed to Sydney and you love crackhead energy, go subscribe to her. You'll love her. Alright, oh, and then I recently bought this shirt and I love it so much. These are dirty, I wore them today, but these are my favorite shorts. I need to buy more of these. They look really big, but if you watched my trying on video, you literally just have to go like this and then they fit. Oh, and I bought this one when I bought that one that I just showed you, the friend one. It has all of them in the Scooby-Doo thingy-mabobber, thingy-van. I don't know. It has blood on it. It looks really cool. I like it. These pants, I've had these pants probably since 2016, and they are my favorite workout pants. They are Exertion 7th grade, I think, and they still fit, but they have a huge hole in the mesh, and I just don't know if I can let go. Why is it echoey? What the hell? I've worn these to school and like I get so insecure about the hole in the mesh. I think the fact that I have to think about it this long shows that I can't get rid of them yet, you know? Or I'm making excuses to keep these crusty ass pants. I'm gonna put them in there because I don't want to get rid of them, but I don't want to wear them. Okay. Now that I've literally haven't gotten rid of that much, okay. I think we're gonna sort my clothes. I don't know. I'm getting overwhelmed. I can't think. Oh my god, my arms. If you're a junior right now and you're not stressed, you are lucky, because I was stressed within the first 2 weeks. This first month, oh my god. Just doing stuff and the amount of work I have is ridiculous. And like, the amount of tests I've had in this month, oh my god. Okay, I need to shut up. It's been a good like 17 minutes. That's how long I've been watching her video. What I did while I turned off the camera, I sorted all my clothes. This is a close-up of it. This is all black and a little bit of gray. And then yeah, and then here's all the pants and stuff. These are the 2 pairs of jeans. These are my 2 favorite sweats. And then these are all my ripped jeans. And then those are just sweats and stuff that I don't really wear. And then I have my basket and then palettes and stuff Mom uses, and I don't use them, but they're just there because I don't want them out here with my makeup. I want them in here so that I could just kind of like, I guess, hide them. This thing I hate so much. I don't like it in here, and that's just how it is. But it doesn't fit up there, and I don't have under my bed anymore. And if I put it in the thingy in the garage, my dad will kill me. Yeah, I still have all that. All that. Those are all hoodies. That's clothes I'm getting rid of. And these are just stuff that like I wear to like be comfy, but I don't want to hang them up because it's not important clothes. Like I'm not gonna wear that out. I've been debating on whether or not I want to hang all of my hoodies and then just put like flannels and stuff like that up there, so like I can hang all of my hoodies, like hoodies, up there. These are all hoodies, and I love them, and I am getting more. Flannels are gonna go closer to the outside. Alright, these are my 4 most used hoodies. Clickbait, Mickey Mouse, Cave Town, and Lil Peep. Lil Peep going in the front because, hello. Come on. Work with me here. Wow! Okay, I love how that looks. So as my collection grows, this is progressively, I don't know how these are all gonna fit because the shelf literally ends right here. I have this one, but this one I'm probably gonna have to wash because I wore it the other day. Pretty sure I got something on it. I don't know. I love this hoodie, but it also is one of those hoodies that just catches everything. You can literally see it. I'm gonna need to buy more black hangers. A lot more. Because when I get paid, you know I'm gonna buy so much clothes. It's not even funny, but it's okay. Okay. These things. I need better ones, but for now, this is what we've been using for the past like year. This is all my socks. I have many, many, many socks. I love socks. Alright. This might not look right, but I don't care. That was all of my clothes. I'm sorry, but this is my favorite part. That makes me so happy. Alright, so yeah, I got rid of a little bit of clothes. I went through basically everything. So all of my shirts, all black hangers, aesthetic, and then all of my thingies, socks. What is this? Bras and sports bras, and then underwear. And then this is just, I already said, like stuff that I wear, and then pajamas. I don't know. Then plastic thingy, and then hamper for dirty clothes, and all my hoodies. Stuff I'm gonna put in a black trash bag to get rid of. Well, actually, I'm gonna ask Puma when she wakes up tomorrow morning, so I'm just gonna leave it there. I look worse than when we first started. It's hot in my room, alright? That was this video. I don't know if it was boring. I really hope it wasn't, because I had fun. I hope you guys enjoyed this lame, impulsive video I decided to do really late at night, on a Friday night, because I'm lonely. I'll see you guys in my next video. Leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to do, and I'll see you in the next one. I said that twice. Bye.